Hi, so today I'll be presenting PawPal Plus, which is an AI-assisted pet care scheduling system. So the original app is a Python and Streamlit scheduler for owners, pets, tasks, priorities, conflicts, and recurrence. I upgraded this application by integrating a retrieval meta generation, an advisor that checks the generated schedule against a pet care knowledge base before showing the final plan. So I obtained my data from the web by web scraping information from relevant sources about these animals, and then turned this data into embeddings, stored those embeddings into the Chroma database, and then used retrieval augmented generation to obtain the top K elements. And in this case, I used the top one. Why does this matter? Because the system can detect health relevant issues the base scheduler cannot see, such as weight specific exercise limits. So now I'm going to go ahead and demo application. Let's see. I have a German short-hair pointer. Let's see. This is a 1-year-old Moki. Let's take him on a 10-minute walk. And then let's see what our AI care advisor has to say. So it was able to detect an issue here, and it changed from 10 minutes suggested a change from 10 minutes to 60 minutes, and it was retrieved from dog exercise needs. So you can see the current 10-minute walk is insufficient for a 1-year-old German short-hair pointer, which requires 60 to 120 minutes of daily exercise. Lengthening the walk to 60 minutes is within the lower range of the target range. So it was able to retrieve this information successfully. Let's now try it again with a dog named Toby. Breathe. Beagle. Take him on a 15-minute walk, or feed. Let's feed him weekly. Let's see what it says. So it was able to detect that there was it was able to detect that there was a concern that we shouldn't feed them weekly and we should feed him daily, and it was able to obtain this from the source feeding schedule. As you can see, it also changed our plan to daily. So this was my application. Now for evaluation, I used retrieval evaluation. So I got the top 3 results per query, and it was able to obtain the correct match. I also tested another 18 as well. What I demoed, I actually made sure that the AI was giving me the correct information by pointing the application to the markdown file. And as you can see, it was able to answer correctly and make changes to the schedule based on this markdown files. So that's how I also tested. I tested it a lot by just going through the files and making sure that it was giving me the correct output. And this was my presentation. Thank you. And application. Thank you.